Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 37. The value of the angle marked theta in the diagram below is dash. Now this is the diagram. It said the angle marked theta in the diagram below is dash. Now this is 150 degree here. Is dash A 70 degree, B 180 degree, C 180 degree, and D 200 degree. Now this is the diagram. You have 130 degree, 150 degree, and theta. Now this is the point. This is the point. And like we know, angle at a point is what? Angle at a point is what? 360 degree. Angle at a point is 360 degree. Now this point number has been divided, that is the angle at this point 360 degree has been divided into various segments. You have the 150 degree, you have the 130 degree, and the theta. Now we are asked to find this theta here. So to find this theta, we equate all these angles to 360 degree. So therefore we have that theta plus 130 degree plus 150 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now theta plus 280 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now to find theta, you subtract 280 from both sides, and this will give us 360 degree minus 280 degree. And 360 degree minus 280 degree is equal to 80 degree. So therefore, theta is equal to 80 degree. Now from the options, option A says 70, which is wrong. B says 80, which is correct. C says 180, which is wrong. And D says 200, which is wrong. So the final answer and the correct answer is B, 80 degree. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.